Dr. Simmons here. Welcome to week 3 of our counseling class, Substance Abuse, for the summer. Hope everything's going well with you. Some of you seem to be right on top of everything. You've got your request in for what you're going to do your abstinence report on. Unfortunately, some of you missed the first discussion board, which is 3% of your grade. So if you missed that, you need to go back in there and do your discussions. Now, since you've passed the deadline, it'll cost you a few points, but it's better than getting a 0. And if you look, several of you made a 0. Look at what the others have done. Try to give a good, robust academic response and a good academic initial discussion board on there. And so you should be able to sort of catch up on things. Don't forget quiz 3, or the quiz 1 is due the end of this week. It's like 7.5% of your grade, so you'll want to do good on that. Again, discussion board 2 comes up the week after that. You've got to do a scholarly journal. Don't forget that the scholarly journal needs to be something that you get from the Wayland Library. And so you'll need to log on to the Wayland Library and get that. Now remember, the quiz 1 password is in your Wayland email. So if you've not set up your Wayland email, you need to set that up, because the the quiz 1 password is in your email. And it will be in your Wayland email account, so you need to set that up. Again, remember that the Wayland email is the official communications platform for everything from Wayland, so go in there and get that set up. Don't forget, you need to be working on your abstinence report. You've got some support group visits. You're going to need to visit a support group sometime, so get on in touch with that. That support group visit is going to be due after July the 4th, so need to start making some arrangements to go to a support group and then write that report up. I have removed the movie requirement. You do not have to do a movie review. It's still listed on the page and on the assignments page, as well as on the syllabus, but that will not be due. Also, I've got a couple of additional discussion boards for community points. Your community points include how you create a sense of community in the class. This includes such things as doing an introductory wiki. It includes sending me your information so that we can put you on the course map. It includes the discussion boards, and it has an overall view of what you've done to create a good sense of community. What we try to do here is make sure that this is not just a correspondence course, but this is a sense of community, because for me, learning takes place when we establish a community where people can get to know each other, share from each other, and learn from each other. So I always enjoy learning from you as well. And I'm sure you'll have some things that you can teach me and show me. So anyway, that's good. Keep plugging away. Again, this is not a super academic course. The discussion boards need to have an academic tenor to them, and then the quizzes are basically designed to help you work you through the reading. I was a professional substance abuse counselor for a while, and I know that you need to have a pretty good handle on the academics of what's going on. The other thing is, even if you don't think you'll ever be doing substance abuse counseling per se, I can assure you when you get into counseling, you'll be dealing with some substance issues. So you need to have a good handle on that. So anyway, keep plugging along for week 3. Let me just give you a heads up. I am going to Alaska. I leave Thursday for Alaska. I do not know how well I will have internet access or cell phone access. Excuse me. I'm going up there for meetings with Wayland. We have 2 campuses in Alaska, and I'll be up there. I'll be meeting in Alaska at the Anchorage campus on, not this week, but next week on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So if there are any of you in the Anchorage area that want to just touch base with me, I'd be glad to touch base with you. Anyway, maybe we'll get a chance, maybe not. But anyway, I just want to thank you for all the good work you're doing, and look forward to continuing to have a good experience. Thank you.